Hey there, quick note before we dive in. What you're watching right now is a lesson from one of my courses that I've decided to release completely for free here on YouTube so you don't have to pay a dime. So instead of asking you to buy my course, if you want to show your appreciation, here's a couple of things that you can do. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel. These small actions tell YouTube to share my content with more people, which is a huge help. Also, feel free to check out my recommended equipment links in the description below. If you do purchase equipment from these links, I do get a small commission at no extra cost to you whatsoever. Or if you want to, you can leave me a super thanks or even just hit play on one of my playlists. I know it sounds silly, but if you just hit play on one of my playlists and let it play in the background, even if you're not paying attention, it tells YouTube, hey, people are watching these videos. I'm going to push it out to more people. So even if you just want to do that, I would love it. I would appreciate it so much. And then lastly, if you're looking for more personalized help, I do offer private coaching that you can find in the description of this video. Either way, I really appreciate you, whether you choose to do one of these things or not. Just by simply watching this video, it means a lot to me. Thank you so much. Now, let's get to the lesson. All right. Before we get into the next lesson, I want to cover a few important things to keep in mind when it comes to making your audio pop or, making your audio crispy or sizzle or, whatever you'd like to describe the trend that people really want to learn and implement in their videos. First off, it doesn't matter what DAW you're using. You can follow along and do this in whatever DAW that you're currently working in. Everything that I'm going to do here applies in each DAW. You just got to figure out how or where those things are in your DAW, but it doesn't matter what DAW you're using. Secondly, the things that make this challenging is every voice is different, every space is different, and every room is different. And because of this, the exact things that I'm going to be doing to my audio here in the next lesson may not fully translate to your audio and voice. The adjustments I make with the EQ and other things may need to be moved around a bit to suit your voice and your audio. However, this video will definitely get you in the ballpark and teach you the process and the thoughts behind how to do this. But lastly, I've said this many times in my videos, but I personally like to keep my audio on the darker side. I'm not really an advocate of using this method because my job, and I think our job as content creators, should be to make our audio as easy to listen to as possible. And brightening your audio up like this can really be fatiguing to the listener's ears and actually hurt over time, which could cause people to stop viewing or listening to your content. And that's obviously the last thing that we want. I just know some people really want to learn how to do this, so I wanted to make this tutorial. Anyway, I'll see you in the next lesson.